Good morning, and let's look at the top 5 stocks to watch out for in trade. So starting with the pharma space, we'll have Lupin and Cipla, which will be in focus as Sandoz will now commercialize brand and authorization generic of Proventil HFA. Now this entry of Sandoz could intensify the competition in the market, and Sandoz entry into Albuterol market is going to be slightly negative, incrementally negative for Cipla as well as Lupin. So some negative impact maybe could be coming in for Cipla and Lupin. Overall, Albuterol accounts for around 20% of FY22 expected profits for both Cipla and Lupin. Now this obviously is going to intensify the competition as this will now be commercialized by Sandoz. Sandoz is going to ramp up ramp up its production, and that is going to impact the market share also of Cipla and Lupin. Now Cipla currently has a stable share of 12%, while Lupin's share has been revived to 6% in the IQVIA. So surely some focus building in on Cipla and Lupin after Sandoz will commercialize the brand authorization and generic of Proventil HFA. Moving on to BHEL, now the company has said that they have emerged as the lowest bidder for the fleet mode tender floated by Nuclear Power Corporation of India for the 6 by 700 megawatt turbine island package projects. So that is a positive sign, as this is a very big project coming in. It's around a 10,800 crore project win. So keeping an eye out on BHEL as well after this project win. IRCTC on the other hand also is going to be in focus after they said that there's an interim stay on the order related to the catering contracts accounting to agency reports. Let's keep an eye out on that. Is there going to be any impact? We'll have to keep an eye out on IRCTC. Now on the back of brokerage notes, we do have a couple of stocks which will be in focus, starting with Grasim, which is there's a note by JP Morgan. So JP Morgan has upgraded Grasims to an overweight stance from a neutral stance previously, with a target price of 1,750 rupees per share. Now target price for cement sector has seen an increase. So whether you see target price for Ultratech is also at 7,560 rupees per share, which was previously 6,700 rupees per share. So overall we are seeing an increase coming in on the cement sector target prices as well, and it's coming together after a long time for the cement sector, which is cement sector is decisively shifted from seasonal trade to a firm cyclical capex play as well, and thus we're seeing an increasing conviction also in the broad-based demand recovery coming in for cement space. So they see a potential. JP Morgan surely sees a potential to drive further valuation re-ratings going forward as well, and the ROE improvements are likely to sustain despite the cost pressures coming in. So Ultratech remains their top pick, and they've upgraded Grasim to an overweight stance on a receding capital allocation concern. So surely positive on the cement sector. Grasim and Ultratech remain their good top picks. Lastly, we do have ITC, which will be in focus on a note by Morgan Stanley, where they've initiated coverage on ITC with an overweight rating with a target price of 251 rupees per share. Now they believe obviously that the valuations are attractive. They remain attractive for ITC, especially with the adjusting for ESG as well. They expect moderate tax increases over the medium term, but that they think will bring in profitability back for the overall secret business as well, is what they see coming along, and the market has not priced this in. So they are quite positive on the stock and surely initiating coverage on ITC.